Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today is an awesome day as every time it is that I get to review a ColourPop palette. This is the Your Golden palette that I talked about in one of my previous videos, and we're going to do a try on first impression on it today, and you're coming along with me. All my socials and everything I'm wearing on my face currently, or I will be in the video, are going to be listed in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe before you go if you like my content. So my box just arrived like yesterday and I was just so excited. I'm like total cash today. I'm wearing my Taylor Swift merch here today, and this like curled my hair and, you know, I'm a little inspired, but it is golden and I'm like, you know, just hanging around the house, but we get to look into this guy. So I'm really excited. I did receive a whole bunch of other stuff from ColourPop, and I'm going to show you too after we kind of look into this guy and we look at the swatches. So this is it right here. There are 30 shades in here and I haven't even opened it yet. So we get to do that together. I like filming my reactions, and there she is. Oh, wow. I like that. Ooh, okay. We have to go into those pop of greens that are happening. Let me bring it a little closer for you guys. And I'm also gonna insert some swatches for you right here.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't.
Alright, so those were the swatches right there. And I do those after I film. So when I always do my look, I'm always kind of going in blind. I'm like, okay, I think I want to do this one. But before I go into that, if you were here from my other video, my ColourPop and Malibu Barbie video, which I'll link right up here, I did mention that there is an upcoming giveaway for ColourPop, and sure enough, here we are. So I have an extra Your Golden palette, which will go to one lucky subscriber. And what you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like and comment on the video, and follow me on IG and like and comment this picture right here that I'm gonna pop up in this area. And I will pick the winner from a week when the video, like this video, was posted. And I will obviously link the date and time and everything like that in the comments of the video. And I want to go quickly through the other stuff that I got. So it wasn't like an unboxing video, but just to kind of show you guys. I got this here, the black liquid liner from ColourPop. I feel like all my liquid liners start drying at the same time and then I have none. So there's that. And I also got this guy here, which I'm so excited about. So this is the It's All Good pressed powder palette. It was like the only big palette of theirs I didn't have. I don't know why I held off for so long, but I haven't opened it either. We're not gonna go into this one today, but I just kind of wanted to show it to you guys. There are 30 shades in this one as well. But what I loved, oh my gosh, maybe we should go in this one today. What I loved was just the fuchsias and the pinks, and it's such, oh my gosh, that is so nice. I'll probably have to do a whole kind of video just dedicated to this one. And because ColourPop was having that 30% off sale that just happened, and I mentioned in my previous video, I think it was the Fit Me Maybelline Hydrate and Smooth, which I'll link up here. I said Bare Necessities is my favorite palette and I would rebuy it for one shade, and I did. So I have a backup of that palette I love it that much. That's how great this palette is. And ColourPop's currently having a free shipping worldwide right now, I think for the entire month of June. So if you're interested in grabbing something from there, I think this is the time. And I also did get a few Super Shock shadows because of the sale, and I just love the colors, and I just wanted to just, add to my collection. But anyways, enough of that. Let's put some makeup on my eyes because I look interesting. So I'm gonna have a picture of the palette next to me, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going into. All right, so I'm gonna go into a bit more color than I normally do, and I'm gonna go into these goldens and these browns. I think I have an idea of what I wanna do. We're just gonna have some fun today, that's it. So I'm gonna go into Hidden Gem, and I'm gonna put that all over my transition. I'm just using like an all over kind of blending brush. And again, I forgot to mention at the beginning of my video, a thing I'm trying to make sure to do is explain to everybody, what the point of my channel is and what makes mine different from, all the other people out there. I have mature skin. I am over 35. I have hooded eyes. I have a lot of folds. I am not a makeup artist, but I am someone who loves makeup. I love the artistry of it. I love how it enhances your natural beauty and all those kind of things. And it's an outlet for people to be really creative. But that being said, since I'm not a professional, I want to know how this makeup wears and how well it can be used by someone who's not a professional. So that way we can make more informed choices. If it's something, if you're in the same boat as me and you want to give it a try, and my opinion can help you, then that's awesome. All right, so laying down really well. Now we're gonna go into something deeper. I'm gonna go into Lounger. I swear I'm not going to create just a total typical neutrals look. I'm gonna do everything in me to not do that. But I love these colors. So I'm just putting this kind of like all over the transition here. I will go a little darker, but for right now, just to kind of build it. And of course, I'm using this mirror. I told you guys, be prepared to see it in every video. Oh my gosh, that one is so gorgeous. I'm like so stuck what to use. I mean, you can do whatever you want. That's the beauty of this. Okay, I'm gonna go into Cover Up. I'm gonna deepen the outer corner there. Ooh, that is very powdery. Okay, that's interesting. Like, I'm gonna keep it really on the outer edge here and just kind of blend that. I have to lift my eyebrows, otherwise like I'll never get into all those folds. Bring it a little higher. If there's one thing I have is like I have space before my eyebrow, right? So I feel like I gotta play with that space more. I always don't want to bring it too high, but I am literally going nowhere today. So this is the day to experiment. Very nice shade. Wow, that worked so well on top of the others. Ooh. You can see from the colors of this palette just how neutral you can keep it, right? But again, there's a bajillion neutrals palettes, and you have a little pop of some coral, get a little bit of that blue, very, very summery. But then that It's All Good palette was very summery too, with the fuchsias and everything. I swear I'm not turning into a ColourPop channel, but I feel like I kind of am. Now we're gonna start laying down some color. Now that we have like our canvas done, my hair is driving me bonkers. Why did I curl it? I know I want that gold and I know I want that blue. I'm gonna go into Must Stay. It is like a satin shade, but it's got some glitter in it. So I kind of just want to put a little bit of glitter or something here. And then I want to use as many shades as I can. Nice, it gives a little bit of sparkle. If you can see, I think I'm gonna go into Fling because that one is actually darker. Just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Yeah, and I have a little bit of sparkle that has fallen just on this side. This side, barely anything. This side, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna have sparkle all under here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now for the super fun part. I am going to put this gold Bayshore. I'm going to place that all over my middle lid. I was thinking of doing that inner corner, but I want this to be prominent since I'm all like, Dijon today and golden. Let's be fearless. Let's be fearless together. I can't remember the last time I used gold. And of course, if you have hooded eyes, bring it higher than you think, so that way when your eye is open, you can see it. That's another thing I really love about ColourPop shadows is they work with brushes, your finger, everything. Am I just recreating a fearless look on my eyes? Because I feel like that's kind of what I should title this thing about, but that's okay. It's about to change. Now I'm going to go into that Sun's Out, and I'm going to put this in the inner corner. And the same thing, you have to bring that a little bit higher off of your lid. Oh, what a nice color. It's not as vibrant a blue as in the pan. Like I'm going and going and going, and all I can kind of get is this color here, but that's okay. I'm not mad at that. I'm gonna go into Jet Set just with my finger here, and I just wanna go into the middle, just right there, just to highlight a little bit. And then I'm basically gonna recreate what I did on the top lid underneath. And I'm just gonna put that in the outer edge here. There's a really, like a centimeter, like barely even putting it on the lid. Like, yeah, literally like a centimeter of your lower lash line there. Then I want to go into Cover Up. Cover Up is very dusty. Wow, I'm kind of shocked at that. We're going to go into Bayshore. And then going into Sun's Out. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that Jet Set, and I'm just going to put it right here in the inner corner, just for that little pop there. Okay, and there is the look here. Let me come a little closer and I'll close my eyes. It's really pretty, but somehow, why am I feeling like fall vibes? I don't know. Maybe it's the colors I chose, but they're working really well. But let me go put my eyeliner and mascara on, and then we'll have our like full face done. All right, everyone, so I'm back. I put some eyeliner and mascara on. My eyeliner does not match, but oh well, it is what it is. I try to go and experiment every day, and I just can't get them to match when I go too far out. Anyways, and I didn't have blush on this whole time. Why didn't anyone tell me I didn't have blush on? My God. I love doing this thing now where it's like the trend to kind of put the blush a little higher and then you put it here. And then what I do is like I do a little bit, just like the lightest dusting, and it gives you that sun kind of kissed glow. Love it. If you're wondering like why all of a sudden I look more tanned, that's the only thing I did. And I put some lipstick on. It's the Golden Beach Trio, again, from this ColourPop Malibu set. I love it. I wear it almost every day. It goes so nicely together. I might need to buy like another pairing of that because I love the combo. Anyways, in terms of the eyeshadow, like let's get back to that. I really do love the look, but I did blow it away, but there was quite a bit of like kickback in the pan. And you know, I've watched some reviews on this palette and I didn't really see people talking about that. I'm not like concerned, but like I've worked with a lot of ColourPop and it wasn't something that I normally notice, but in the darker colors especially. And on this eye, I mentioned it before, and I did have a lot of sparkle, but as I was just going closer and just, you know, do my eyeliner, there was sparkle. And then there was legit like the lounger color, which was like deposited right here. And I'm like, how did that happen? So just be wary about that. I feel like I didn't load up the brushes too much to warrant that kind of fallout, but still, it's a beautiful palette. There's tons of shades. Especially when you get it the 30% off, which I think might be over now, but at least there's the free shipping worldwide. But like we said, one of you is going to win this guy. And I think that's a pretty sweet deal. And it's just a thank you for all of you for subscribing to my channel and staying subscribed and watching my content. I'd love to hear from you guys and what are some of your favorite ColourPop items, because I mean, I've never tried their foundation and their concealer, and I'd love to hear from you if that's something I should kind of maybe try one day. So that's it for me. I have tons of videos in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you like my content. It's free. You should try it. YouTube should be recommending to you some other videos of mine that I know you're gonna love. I have a ton of foundation reviews from the drugstore and a variety of places, and I'm sure you're gonna find something you're gonna love to watch. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks everyone, and bye.